There's no limit to what we as women can accomplish. These words perfectly fit for Flying Officer Tanushka Singh, who recently became the first women pilot to be permanently assigned to the Indian Air Force's Jaguar fighter jet squadron. She will soon report to her squadron for active duty. With such appointments in the force, India's armed forces, being the Army, Air Force, Navy or others, continue to create more opportunities for women in combat roles. So this Women's Day, let's take a look at those inspirational women from the Indian Air Force who not only taught us to be strong, but also taught us that women are unstoppable. The Jaguar is a powerful strike aircraft of the Indian Air Force, renowned for its precision attack capabilities. While other female pilots have previously flown the Jaguar jet, Tanushka's permanent appointment makes her first to achieve this distinction. This historic record is now in the name of Flying Officer Tanushka Singh. Belonging to a military background, Tanushka's father and grandfather have both served in the armed forces. Born in Uttar Pradesh, she initially aspired to join the Indian Army but later shifted her focus to aviation. She went through rigorous training at the Air Force Academy in Dundigal, Telangana, followed by a specialized instruction on the Hawk Mk-132 aircraft, which ultimately prepared her for this prestigious role. How often do we see women flying fighter jets in movies or in real life? Well, to burst a bubble, it was in 2016 when for the first time 3 women joined the Indian Air Force as fighter pilots. Avni Chaturvedi, Mohana Singh and Bhavna Kant became the first female fighter pilots in the Indian Air Force. Flying Officer Avni Chaturvedi created history by becoming the first Indian women fighter pilot to fly solo. She's from Rewa district in Madhya Pradesh. She was declared as the first combat pilot along with 2 of her cohort, Mohana Singh and Bhavna Kant. All 3 were given training and inducted into the Indian Air Force Fighter Squadron on 18 June 2016. Squadron leader Mohana Singh became the India's first women pilot to fly Tejas fighter jet. Her remarkable feat underscores the Indian Air Force's commitment to gender equality and empowerment. Meanwhile, Flight Lieutenant Bhavna Kant is the first female pilot of the Indian Air Force to fly a Su-30 MKI fighter plane. The first women Indian Air Force officer to receive a gallantry award was Deepika Mishra. Wing Commander Deepika Mishra, a helicopter pilot who hails from Rajasthan, was conferred a Vayu Sena Medal for an act of exceptional courage displayed during a flood relief operation in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. She helped in saving the lives of 47 people in the floods in areas of Madhya Pradesh. Women at work. When Gunjan Saxena flew into a combat zone in Kargil, it was a lifetime moment of courage and inspiration. Whether you have seen the movie on Gunjan Saxena or not, she surely inspires a number of women with her exceptional life story. Also known as Kargil Girl, Flight Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena flew into a combat zone in Kargil. One of her main roles during the Kargil War was to evacuate the wounded from Kargil, transport supplies and assist in surveillance. She became the first female Indian Air Force officer to fly in combat during the Kargil War of 1999. Many of us know India's first pilot was J.R.D. Tata, but how many of us know who was the first female pilot of India? Well, it was Sarla Thigral, who received her A license after flying for more than 1,000 hours in 1936 and became the first female pilot of India. What's even more interesting is that she used to fly wearing a sari, which reflects her cultural pride. Ever heard of Captain Durba Banerjee? Well, she was the first Indian woman commercial pilot. She joined Indian Airlines in 1956. Durba Banerjee had a fascination for flying planes since childhood, which turned into her passion. But it wasn't as easy as we are discussing it right now. Captain Durba Banerjee too had to face sexism and gender bias. It is women like Captain Durba Banerjee who fuel the inspiration in other women to not just dream of a career but also find a path to achieve it. The story of women in Indian Air Force is incomplete without Vijay Lakshmi Ramanan. She was the first women commissioned officer of the Indian Air Force. Born in February 1924, she did her MBBS and later was commissioned in the Army Medical Corps on August 22, 1955 and was seconded to the Air Force with effect from the same day. She served as a gynecologist at various Air Force hospitals. She had also attended to the troops wounded during wars and performed administrative duties. All these women from the present and history has left certain marks that still inspires us to make our dreams come true. What inspires you the most? Do share with us in the comment section below.
For more of such videos, do like, share and subscribe to ET Now Swadesh.